Hey there, amazing English learners. Welcome back to English Mastery Podcast. I'm Vee, and I'm absolutely thrilled you've joined us today. James, how are you feeling about today's special episode?
Oh, I'm really excited, V. Today's going to be something completely different, isn't it? We're diving deep into shadowing practice, which is honestly one of my favorite ways to help learners build real confidence. You know, I was just thinking about how many students tell us they understand English perfectly when they're listening. But when it comes to speaking, that's where the magic needs to happen, right?
Yeah, exactly, James. And that's precisely why we've designed today's session as an interactive challenge. Listen, dear listeners, let me ask you something personal. How did your English practice go this week? Did you have one of those moments where you surprised yourself with how much you understood? Or maybe you felt a bit frustrated because speaking still feels challenging? Trust me, we've all been there. The beautiful thing is, you're here right now, and that tells me you're serious about improving. James, why don't you explain what makes shadowing so incredibly effective?
Absolutely. So here's the thing about shadowing. It's like being an echo, but an intelligent echo. When you shadow, you're not just passively listening to English. Oh no, you're actively participating in the language. You hear our voices, you catch the rhythm, the melody, the stress patterns, and then you immediately reproduce them with your own voice. It's brilliant because it trains three skills simultaneously: your listening comprehension, your pronunciation, and your speaking fluency. And Vey, I love how you always remind students that perfection isn't the goal here.
That's so true, James. Perfection is absolutely not what we're after. In fact, I want everyone listening to repeat after me right now. Mistakes are my friends. Did you say it out loud? I hope you did, because here's what I've learned after years of teaching students who embrace their mistakes learn faster than those who try to be perfect. Every stumble, every mispronunciation, every awkward pause. These are actually signs that your brain is working hard to rewire itself for English. And honestly, that's something to celebrate. Now, James, let's talk about consistency versus intensity.
Oh, this is such an important point, Vey. You know what's better than studying English for 3 hours once a week? Practicing for just 10 minutes every single day. Think about it like going to the gym. You wouldn't expect to get fit by working out intensely once a week, right? Your English muscles need daily exercise. Even if you're tired, even if you only have 5 minutes, even if you think you don't have anything new to learn, show up anyway. That's how transformation happens. And speaking of showing up, are you ready for today's challenge, everyone?
I love your energy, James. All right, beautiful learners, here's what we're going to do together. This is day 1 of our 5-day English Mastery Challenge, and today we're focusing on foundational confidence building. I'll speak a sentence clearly in my natural British accent. Don't worry about the accent, though. The principles work for any English variety. You'll hear a pause, and that's your golden moment to repeat after me. James, what should they focus on while they're repeating?
Great question. So while you're shadowing, pay attention to 3 things. First, the rhythm. English has a musical quality, like a song. Some words are stressed, others are quick and light. Second, watch how we link words together. Native speakers don't speak word by word, we flow from one word to the next. And third, don't worry about speed. It's much better to speak slowly and clearly than to rush and mumble. V, shall we start with some empowering affirmations?
Perfect idea, James. Let's begin with sentences that build your inner confidence. Remember, speak out loud, yes, even if you feel silly at first. Here we go. I am developing my English skills every day. Now you try. I am developing my English skills every day. Excellent. I choose progress over perfection in my learning journey. Your turn. I choose progress over perfection in my learning journey. Wonderful. My English improves with each word I practice. Go ahead. My English improves with each word I practice. Beautiful. James, how about we try some daily life expressions next? Oh, I think they're absolutely ready for that, James. Let's try some sentences that native speakers use all the time in casual conversations. I've been working on improving my pronunciation lately. Take your time. I've been working on improving my pronunciation lately. Excellent. The more I practice speaking, the more natural it becomes. Your turn now. The more I practice speaking, the more natural it becomes. Brilliant. I'm starting to think in English instead of translating everything. Go for it. I'm starting to think in English instead of translating everything. Outstanding work.
You know what I'm noticing? Everyone's confidence is building with each sentence. That's exactly what shadowing does. It tricks your brain into believing you can speak English naturally. And honestly, you absolutely can. Here's one of my favorite phrases for English learners. I trust my ability to communicate effectively in English. Ready? Repeat after me. I trust my ability to communicate effectively in English. Perfect. Every conversation is an opportunity to improve. Your turn. Every conversation is an opportunity to improve. Excellent. I'm proud of how far I've come in my English journey. Go ahead. I'm proud of how far I've come in my English journey. Beautiful work, everyone.
James, this has been such an incredible session. I can practically feel the energy and determination from everyone who's been shadowing with us. You know what? You've just completed 30 powerful sentences, and that's no small achievement. Whether this was easy for you or challenging, the important thing is that you showed up and practiced with us. That consistency, that commitment, that's what transforms English learners into confident English speakers.
Absolutely, Vey. And remember, this is just the beginning of your 5-day challenge. Tomorrow, we'll be back with new sentences, new rhythms, and new opportunities to grow. Until then, be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep that speaking practice going. We believe in you completely.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today at English Mastery Podcast. Keep shining, keep speaking, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of your transformation. You've got this.